wizard.
Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about what we call intermixing. And this is something that a lot of people don't do or don't talk about. And that's where you take a natural of a product and you mix it with a semi-transparent, and you can almost make it any color you want. Cabot Stains used to be really good at this intermixing, and then they kind of got away from it, and different people have bought Cabot out. So there's not much talk about intermixing, but it really is interesting because you take a solid stain or a semi-transparent and a solid stain, and in between is a semi-solid. 20 years ago, you hardly heard of semi-solid, but we went in between the semi-transparent and the solid. But nobody ever thinks of anything between a semi-transparent and a natural or a sealer. And a sealer accentuates it and keeps a lot of the grain away and so forth. And then what happens is when we do the semi-transparent, that hides about half the grain. But say we just want to have a little bit of tint towards it, or just give it a little bit more oomph. It's older wood and we want to kind of mix, or it could be a custom color you want where you still want to see all the grain through it, but just give a little bit of a different color. And that's when we take intermixing. So you can take a semi-transparent and mix it with that natural sealer, and then you come up with that, and it comes out really, really nice. That's what we're doing here. We have a Cabot New Redwood we've mixed with our Burlington Gold. It comes out really, really nice. Still see the grain and characteristics of it through. And this deck is just old. It has 6-inch on center balusters or pickets, spindles, whatever you call them, in your neck of the woods. And their code is 4-inch now, so it's an older deck. And again, we're just adding a little bit more life to it to keep it going. So it's called intermixing. So I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, talking about intermixing on a live job that we're working on. Thank you for watching the video.